Hi friends, welcome to Motivation Medicos. This is Dr. Bilva Harsha. I am working as a consultant ENT surgeon in Hyderabad. First, I will introduce myself. I completed my undergraduation in Chettinad Medical College, Chennai. Then I did my post-graduation in ENT, that is Diploma in Otorhinolaryngology in PSG Institute of Medical Sciences and Research, Coimbatore. Then I entered into my masters and completed my master of surgery in ENT, that is MS ENT, in NRI Medical College, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. We know a little bit about ENT in third year of our undergraduation. In ENT we deal with the diseases of ear, nose, throat, and also we deal with the diseases of thyroid, parathyroid gland, parotid, submandibular and sublingual salivary glands. In ENT we also deal with an important topic, that is cancers of head and neck, like sinonasal carcinomas, carcinoma pharynx, carcinoma larynx, carcinoma hypopharynx, thyroid carcinoma, parathyroid carcinoma, sublingual, submandibular and parotid carcinomas. During my undergraduation days, I thought that ENT was a very small subject and small specialty, but only after entering into my post-graduation, I came to know that ENT is a very volatile specialty and it also has many subspecialties under it. After you complete your post-graduation in ENT, you have many fellowships of courses to do. That is, some are for 1 year, some are for 6 months, some are for 2 years and some are for 3 years. The examples are fellowship in head and neck surgery, thyroid and parathyroid surgery, rhinology, laryngology, otology, neuro-otology, facial plastic surgery and pediatric otorhinolaryngology. So, you can consider a career in ENT because ENT is a broad specialty and it is also developing nowadays. It has more scope than any other specialty now because we do mainly micro ear surgeries, that is micro laryngeal surgeries, and also endoscopic nasal surgeries. So my sincere request to all the undergraduates is that kindly attend OPDs and ward rounds and kindly know a few things about each and every specialty so that you can choose your specialty or career in which you are more passionate about. If you have any queries regarding my specialty, that is ENT otorhinolaryngology, you can feel free to contact me in my Instagram profile given below. Thank you Motivation Medicos for this wonderful series, and also I thank you once again for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you friends.